In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google Drive storage plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step in this process is accessing your Google One account. To do this, open your web browser and type in one.google.com. Make sure you're logged in to the correct Google account, the one that you use for your Google Drive storage plan. It's really important to ensure you've got the right account, because that's the one that holds your subscription. Once you're logged into your Google One account, you'll be greeted by the Google One homepage. Now let's move on to the next step, which is opening Settings. You'll want to look at the top of the homepage for the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Settings menu, giving you access to various options related to your Google Drive storage plan. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to select the Cancel Subscription option. Look through the menu for this option. That's what you're going to click on. If you don't see Cancel Subscription right away, don't worry. There's often an option labeled Manage Subscription that you can click on first. Following this will lead you to the area where you can effectively cancel your subscription. Once you find the cancellation option, click on it and take a moment to follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Google may ask you some questions regarding why you've decided to cancel, but don't let that deter you. It's a simple process, and just follow the steps they give you. After you've completed the cancellation process, it's a good practice to double-check your subscription status. Make sure that everything looks right and that your Google Drive storage plan has been successfully canceled. You can do this by going back to the Google One homepage and checking under your subscription details. This way, you can ensure there won't be any surprise charges in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Google Drive storage plan. It's a straightforward process, and one that you can complete in just a few minutes. Remember, if you change your mind later, you can always sign up again for a new storage plan whenever you like. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, anything else you'd like to learn about managing your Google Drive storage or any other services, please leave a comment down below. I'm here to help you with all your tech needs. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.